Welcome back to MotoMarket Explorer. Today, we're checking out 10 affordable classic motorcycles for sale right now. Real vintage machines with old-school charm and incredible value. Let's dive in. 1. 1953 Harley-Davidson Hummer 165cc, $9,500, Bristol, Tennessee. Our first bike takes us back to early post-war America, the 1953 Harley-Davidson Hummer, a lightweight 165cc two-stroke built for riders who wanted simplicity, economy, and unmistakable Harley styling. This particular example is fully restored to showroom condition, showing only 1.4 miles since the complete restoration. The bright yellow finish looks factory fresh, the engine runs beautifully, and every detail, from the seat to the emblems, has been redone with precision. Originally used as a display piece, it has spent the last 2 years indoors and preserved like a collector's time capsule. Clean title, meticulous condition, and one of the nicest restored Hummers you're likely to find today. A rare piece of Harley history ready for your garage. 2. 1981 Kawasaki KZ1000 LTD, $4,500, Glasgow, Kentucky. Next up is the legendary KZ1000 LTD, a cornerstone of early 80s Kawasaki muscle. This one is in like-new condition thanks to extensive recent work, fresh paint and upholstery, brand new tires, a rebuilt front end, fully serviced brakes, and a complete carburetor rebuild and sync. The KZ1000 LTD delivers strong, reliable inline-4 performance and smooth highway cruising, making it a favorite among collectors and classic riders. With many new parts and a dialed-in mechanical setup, this bike is ready to hit the road the moment you pick it up. 3. 1971 BMW R75/5 Scrambler, $4,200, Casey, South Carolina. For fans of vintage European craftsmanship, here's a unique 1971 BMW R75/5 Dirt Road Scrambler. Though non-matching numbers, the engine is a solid hybrid build, an R60/5 bottom end, R75 top end, and an R90/6 camshaft for stronger mid-range pull. Upgraded charging system, strong compression, and a solid 2023 refresh make this bike a dependable, character-filled classic. With 50,000 miles but a dialed-in mechanical feel, it's a great mix of old-school authenticity and modernized usability. Perfect for someone who wants a vintage BMW they can actually ride. 4. 1979 Suzuki GS750L, $1,250, Port Orange, Florida. This might be the best budget project on the entire list, a barn find 1979 Suzuki GS750L, priced at just $1,250 out the door. The bike runs, has a clear title, and has undergone basic revival work, including a tank cleaning, carb sync, new battery, and a day's worth of polishing. The brakes stick, the tires are old, and it needs full service before riding. But the GS750 is one of Suzuki's most dependable classic platforms, a perfect starting point for a restoration, cafe build, or vintage daily rider project. 5. 1976 Triumph Bonneville 750 $6,500, Stuart, Florida. Here we have a beautifully executed custom Triumph Bonneville 750 bobber with a completely restored engine and a powder-coated frame. The 5-speed left-side shift setup makes this a desirable later-era Bonneville, and with only 20 miles since the rebuild, this machine is practically brand new internally. It includes 2 seats, comfort and minimalist, and nearly every part has been refreshed or replaced. Built by a retired Triumph specialist, this bike combines craftsmanship, reliability, and iconic British twin personality. Six, 1973 Yamaha 360 RT1, $5,000, Branson, Missouri. Next is a pristine Yamaha 360 RT1, a highly collectible 2-stroke enduro that still captures Yamaha's early off-road spirit. This one is near mint with 135 original miles, making it one of the cleanest RT1s on the market. The engine idles perfectly, runs clean, and comes from the second owner with a proper title. A must-see for 2-stroke collectors looking for a low-hour survivor. Seven, 1969 Triumph TR6 650, $6,000, Bradford, Arkansas. Classic Triumph fans will appreciate this matching numbers 1969 TR6 with extensive recent mechanical work. The top end has been completely refreshed. Bored cylinders, new pistons, new rings, fresh gaskets, plus a new clutch, carb rebuild, fuel system components, and a modern electronic ignition upgrade. With less than 50 miles since the work, this bike offers vintage charm with the confidence of a thoroughly serviced powertrain, a clean-titled, ready-to-ride British icon. Eight, 1982 Honda CB900F, $5,950, Knoxville, Tennessee. A standout of early Honda Supersport engineering, this CB900F comes from a private collection and is loaded with premium upgrades. CR31 Kaihin carbs feed the strong inline-4 through a Kirker stainless header, all expertly jetted for crisp, clean power. The chassis has been improved with progressive fork springs, Öhlins shocks, new wheel bearings, a gold X-ring chain, and fresh sprockets. This bike needs nothing. It's a turnkey vintage performance machine, complete with the original toolkit and owner's manual. Nine, 1976 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $7,500, Huntsville, Alabama. This largely original 1976 Harley Shovelhead delivers the raw sound, torque, and character that define classic Harley riding. Recently rebuilt top end with only 1,200 miles, excellent running condition, and a thick stack of paperwork from the original owner. Painted in a rare green finish, it starts easily, rides strong, and represents one of the best values on the shovelhead market right now. Number 10. 1972 Honda CL350, $1,500, Huntsville, Alabama. Finishing the list is a great deal for riders seeking an affordable vintage Honda, a 1972 Honda CL350 that runs and rides beautifully. Recent work includes a new wiring harness, rebuilt carbs, new battery, timing adjustment, and numerous electrical fixes. The bike retains most of its original components, including the factory air filters. A few cosmetic flaws and small mechanical quirks exist, but overall, this is a reliable, well-sorted classic for an unbeatable price. Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. More classic motorcycle deals are coming. Don't miss the next episode.